Hello, hello, hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Anybody tell me? It is audible now? Yeah. Today, up to end of the class, concentrate. Don't write it anything. Why? Because internally, what happened? Those concepts I will tell you. Anybody attending a what yesterday class? Otherwise, anybody not attending also, demo link is there. No, you have to check it out. Okay. Yeah. Yesterday, I told no. Whenever any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, first those users are connected to client tools. Through this client tools, username, password, something is there. That is later I will tell you. Don't worry. Through that one, they are connected to the where server. This is called client server architecture. One of the client tool is SQL plus tool. Okay, na? Yeah. This tool you are not required to install explicitly. When we are installing a Oracle software, automatically that tool is created. Up to that one, we are discussing a what in a previous class. But unfortunately, you are a first time newcomer. That's why before we are installation process, those all the things, what is going on really in a SQL plus tool, otherwise any other tool with a server means I will tell you now. Now check it out. At least in a future concepts, in SQL language side, common concepts are there in every database. Those common concepts through, I will tell you what is going on. Screen observability, very important this one. In a, not only Oracle, every database also similar things are there. Observe it here. In a future, SQL is a language we will learn. In that case, one of these days, observe it here. Regularly used concept in a database, commit is a command. Some commands I'm taking today, don't worry. Because important commands I'm taking today, those commands, how it will be executed, I'm telling me, so maybe this is a client server architecture, this is the way, what happened, this is the way it is executed, you are understandable. Okay, one is commit is a command, regularly used command, maybe so many Java developers are well-known persons. Again, another command is rollback. Before we are starting a career in any database, otherwise any software also, these two differences you must familiar, must mandatory. Otherwise, not understandable anything. That much of powerful. Actually, now what is commit? Anybody having idea? Maybe roughly. Now your Java programmers having idea. Commit means what? Roughly. Very good. In a database says either Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix. In a database also commit means meaning is save. What is save means today we are learning. Yesterday client tool SQL plus tool through I will tell you, don't worry. Again, rollback means what? Very good. Rollback means what? Undo. Undo the transaction from memory. What is that undo? Same like a Windows Control Z is there, no? Yeah. Undo only. Redo undo is there. Undo. Okay. Yeah. Commit means save the transactions. Rollback means undo the transactions. Okay, fine. These two commands through what is going on in a SQL plus tool and Oracle database, I will tell you. That is better. These things also easily understandable. And what is going on, how it will be interacting also easily understandable. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Screen observe it. Very interesting. Very interesting. Practically I will show you, but diagrammatically I will show you. Don't write it anything today. Why? Because first time newcomer purpose I am designing like this. Observe here. Suppose I am also, you are also installing a what? Any relational database software, either Oracle you are installing in a feature, otherwise SQL Server or MySQL, any DBMS software or database software installing in our system, then automatically two parts are created. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. Then automatically how many parts? Two parts are created, not a single part. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. That's why what is going on, they doesn't have an idea. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. In a feature, you are also installing, don't worry. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, automatically this Oracle server having a what? Two parts. Observe it here, having a two parts. SQL server also same, MySQL also same, but internal buffers are different. Don't worry. Here, observe here. This bottom part is there. No, this is hard disk. This bottom part is a hard disk only. Some files are available. Don't worry. Hard disk. Slowly observe here. Hard disk is the original. This is also called as physical database. Physical database. Physical database. Oracle side. This is also called as this bottom part is also called as physical database. Again, some commands are executed at in a above part only. This is instance. That is RAM memory area. You are a first time newcomer means RAM memory. You have to remember it. Okay, here in your system, there's a RAM memory only. Something is executed. Okay, slowly observe it here. Daily, I am also here also interact with the what this server by using a tool. But here in this server, slowly observe here, database server. Server means database server. Here, so many files are there. Okay, here in a hard disk only, so many physical files are there. These are data files, control files, read log files, something is there. Otherwise, you are a first time newcomer, you don't have an idea anything. Also, don't worry. .dbf files, data files actually. Don't worry, that's a big concept, but just observe. In this file, in this, okay, so now disk only, in this data files only, your tables are available. Table format only data is stored, Yeah. Suppose today I'm creating a table where it will be storing. I will tell you test is a table. Okay, this table is available in a where? In a data files. In a hard disk. S number. This is a permanent. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Practically I will show you. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. 1, 3, 4 data is there. Here some buffers are there. Here some buffers are there. So many buffers. Database buffer cache, shared pool, library cache, dictionary cache, large pool, read log buffer. So many things are there, but you don't have an idea anything. Just observe it here. Oh, maybe some memory is there. Okay, yeah, here. Here, suppose here, this is a buffer cache in this name. In our Oracle side. Don't worry, these names and all these things. Okay, something is there. Okay, yeah. Suppose whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically two parts are created. One is hard disk only within the hard disk. And now here, yes, some files are there within data files. Your tables are available. Keep it in mind. Okay. In a memory area, RAM memory area, buffers are there. Some buffer caches are there. Don't worry. Really names you don't have an idea. Now check it out. Daily you are interacting with the what? This server. I am also here also employees or users means connect to the server by using tool. What is the client tool? Yesterday I told no. Roughly name you have an idea. Oh, very good. SQL plus client tool or SQL plus tool. In this tool, username and passwords are there. Which user, which passwords next, don't worry. Okay, yeah, default username, default password, explicit username, those all the things I will tell you next, don't worry. Username and password. Now on, what's very interesting, anybody guessing whatever I'm typing or what something I'm asking is guessing also great. Okay, this is a something is there. Okay, yeah, now screen observe it. Slowly observe it here. Suppose practically I will create a what table now. Practically also better. Okay, yeah, because first time no. Now check it out. What is going on? Observe it today. That's all. Okay, yeah, here observe it here. Okay. Suppose, slowly observe it here. I try to create a table. What is table means later? Just observe it here. This is a SQL plus tool is there. I'm installing Oracle software. In that Oracle software, in a tomorrow also, you are also starting installation. Don't worry. Here, observe it here. Now here, I'm creating a table. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Table format only data is stored. In a future, how can I create a table? Those all the things I will tell you. Don't worry. Roughly, okay. Table something is there. Okay, yeah. This is a logical structure. Okay, yeah. Here I am inserting a data. Some commands are there. These are SQL language commands. Now slowly observe it here. Very interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In a future, you are also inserting like this. Commit means save. Okay. Yeah. Here now the table is there. Select star from test. This a table is there. Where this table is available? Very good. In this diagram, tell me on disk. Here only this table is available. I'm inserting a data. Commit no. Yeah. Commit I'm giving no. Yeah. Save. Okay. 1 minute only. Yeah. Really, this is there in a hard disk or not? I'm confusing only. Okay. Yeah. Because in a hard disk it is not visible. Database level it is visible or not. Check it out. Suppose observe here. Again, I'm opening this one. Permanently there or not. Check it out. Again, something I'm typing. Don't worry. These are all the things later. Okay, I'm connecting. Don't worry, how can I connect those all the things later? Just demo this one. Observe here. Here test. Now table is available. Yes, available. 100 times we are closing also. Again, reopening permanently there. That's why it is available in a where hard disk your imagination. Okay, yeah. C drive, D drive like this is there. No, yeah. Okay, fine. Now observe here again. Observe it here. So many times I'm typing. Okay, yeah. Now the table is available where? Hard disk. Okay, up to now, okay. Okay, na? Yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Suppose in your hard disk only, your this table is there. This is a physical database. Okay, fine. Suppose in a company side also, this table data is there. Some data is there. For example, suppose now today you are joining in a company. Okay, na? For example, in a Oracle you are working. For example, just here username passwords database administrator giving, just you are typing username passwords, connect to the server. You are connecting, don't worry. Now you want to retrieve, fetch this table from this database into this client tool. Then SQL language one command is there. What is that one? Select statement is there. Don't worry. Now select, update, insert, delete. So many things are there. One of the stage you are using in a future. Select statement. Select star from table name. What is the table name? Test. Okay. Now observe it here. Select a star from test like this. Now what happened? Anybody guess it? Very good. Whenever we are okay, SQL plus tool, I am also here also typing a what select a star from test. Some command is there in a feature. Observe here. Whenever we are typing this command, guess it what happened. Very good. I am also here also thinking nothing is there. This is a requested table test is there. This client tool checks a what requested table is available in a where hard disk or not. Yes, within a hard disk only this table is there. Yes, again the table is available means the table directly fetching from the where okay hard disk into where this okay client tool, then only here displayed okay in the table is displayed within a client tool. Everyone thinking like that. That is wrong one. Wrong one. That is wrong one. Don't think like that. Client tools does not interact with the hard disk directly. Impossible. Impossible. Suppose anybody good at what C language, Java, .NET, Python, these type of languages means you are writing a programs, no? Yes, whenever we are executing a programs, where it will be executed, memory area, RAM memory area or hard disk, execution, not a saving. Very good. RAM memory area, no? Same like here also. Whenever we are using a what, select statement, update statement, delete statement, any statement, some statements are there, don't worry. Yes, those statements where it will be executed in a RAM memory area, here, in a buffer cache. Here only it will be executed in a Oracle side means. Observe it here. Concentrate what is going on original means. Observe it here. Very good. One fellow is telling correct. And now check it out. Screen observe it. Very important. Suppose today You are an employee. You are an employee. Observe here. Observe here. Very interesting. You are okay. This is a server is there. This is a client tool. They are giving in a company side. Just you are typing a what username and password. Okay, na? Yeah. Now just you are typing a what here. Go to SQL prompt. Observe it here. You are typing a what select what is select, don't worry, just observe it here. Select a star from in a future concept, this one here test you are typing. Okay, that table name you are typing. Whenever you are typing this one, what happened means, observe it here, one Java fellow is telling correct. Now here, yes, this client tool is there. No, this client tool. Now here first checks a requested table. What is the requested table? Test that a table is available in a where, and available in a where, and available in a where. Yes, your buffer cache or not, it will be checking. Really, today, first time, this table is available in a where, in a RAM memory area? No, this table is test table is requested table is not available in a RAM memory area. It is not available in a RAM memory area. Then this buffer cache through again, it will be checking in hard disk. Then okay, na? Yeah, buffer cache through this one. Now this table is available in a where hard disk? Yes. Whenever this table is available in a where disk, then copy of the table, copy, not a original table. Copy of the table is transferred from hard disk into where this buffer cache here. Okay, na? Copy of the table. That's why whenever requested table is available in a disk, then copy of the table is transferred from, yes, copy of the table transferred from data files into where? Buffer cache. This much of things, so many fellows are doesn't know, but easy. 1 minute of it here. That's why diagrammatically I'm telling. You don't have an idea also. Now the table is available here. Okay, na? Yeah. What is the table? Test. This test table, whatever data is there, this table is available here only. And now from this okay, so now the table from this test table, from this buffer cache into where? Then only it will be written into where? Written into where? Yes, client tool here. Okay, na? Yeah, here only now here test one. Okay, so now test one is a test table. Here s number 1 2 3 4, for example. Okay, I'm not writing now here 1 2 3 4. Okay, na? Yeah, this is the way it will be executed. Not only Oracle, every database also, but terminology different. Now check it out. Whenever you are requesting a what a table by using a select star from table name in a where in a client tool SQL plus tool side, then a requested table is available in a where RAM memory area not checking by the server. Sorry, client tool check in a where RAM memory area requested table is available or not. If the table is available means directly return, but the first time means the table is not available. Whenever not available means through the buffer cache memory area, yes, control goes to where? Hard disk only. In a hard disk only, the requested table is available or not, it will be checking. Whenever the requested table is available, then copy of the table is transferred from data files into where? In a buffer cache only. And now then only buffer cache into where? Client tool, it will be returned. Okay, na? Yeah, same diagram only. Oracle Corporation giving big theory, but diagram. Okay, na? Yeah. Understood this one? Very good. Up to now, okay. Now observe it here. Very important. Now I want to change. Now commit and rollback. Now you are understandable. I will tell you practically. Observe here. Suppose here. Now I want to change. One is a number is there. No, I want to change. I want to modify this one number into where 5. For example, roughly. I want to change a number 1 into 5 only. Suppose you are depositing a money in a where in your bank account. That is a what? Changing a what data or not? Suppose 5,000 rupees are there, 3,000 rupees you are okay depositing means yes 7,000 rupees are okay 8,000, sorry, 8,000 rupees are there or not? Yes, that is modifying this 5,000 into where 5,000 plus 3,000. So now here 8,000 we are modifying only how means update statement. Same like here also. Observe here one. I want to change this number 1 into where 5. For example, roughly. Okay, yeah, this is the one is a number is there. No, I want to change this number 1 into where 5 only. That is my requirement in a project side. The first number is there. No, 1 is there. That is I want to change that 1 into where 5. That is my requirement. Whenever that is a requirement is there, now screen observe it, very important, very important. Now I am also here also, yes, update statement we are using only. Okay, now update is a statement is there. Now check it out. Screen observe it. Here, update is a statement is there. Screen observe it here. Then commit rollback. Now you are understandable. Now check it out. Update table name. What is the table name? Test set S number is equal to 5. What is this command? Don't worry. Where S number is equal to 1. Maybe some Java developers having idea of these commands. Whenever we are typing a what update command here, what is the new value? What is the new value here? Very good, 5. What is the old value? 1. This update command, where it will be affected, in a RAM memory area or hard disk? Fastly guess it. Very good, in a RAM memory area. Now what is the new value? 5. What is the old value? 1. This new value 5 is stored in a where? In a database buffer cache someplace only. This is a new value. Observe here. Here only new value storing. Slowly observe here. This new value placed in a memory area is also called as dirty radar. Slowly observe here. This is a dirty radar. Dirty radar. Now, what is the old value? Old value. Old value how much? 1. Old value of this transaction is stored in a where? Some other place in a where? Database buffer cache. Here 1. This is a old value. Okay. Old value stored in a where? Some other place only. Here old value. This is undo area. Otherwise old value. You are remembering better. Now up to this one also maybe roughly an idea. Now check it out. After this update or delete or insert these commands, after commit and roll back, they are using in a real-time project side. Whenever we are using a commit, what happened? Whenever we are using a what rollback, what happened? Now you are understandable difference. So now check it out here. Up to this one, you have an idea? Not? Yes, here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Suppose now commit means what I am telling. Commit means what? Save. Now check it out. Now correctly guess it. You are guessing, I think. You're a first time newcomer also. Suppose practically I will show you, but before that one, diagrammatically better because non-technical persons are there. Go to SQL prompt. Here, commit they are giving. For example, after DML, commit they are using COMMIT commit. Commit means what? Save. Save means what happened? What happened? Whenever we are using a commit, screen observe it, screen observe it. Whenever you are typing a what, commit is a command here, then automatically new value for the transaction. What is the new value? 5. This new value for the transaction automatically, permanently stored in a where? Hard disk. How much is it? This is called commit. Okay, na? Commit means simple. New value for the transaction. Whatever dirty radar value is there, this value is permanently stored in a where? Hard disk. Okay, na? Yeah, that's why commit means save the transaction permanently into database. They are telling. This is the mechanism. Whenever we are using a commit, new value for the transaction, not available, new value for the transaction permanently stored in a where? In a disk only. Okay, na? Yeah, this 5 is permanently stored in a where? In a disk only, in this table. That is called what? Commit. Okay, na? Yeah. Now I don't want to use commit. Observe here. I don't want to save. Observe here. I don't want to save. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Very important. Now I want to change. I want to cancel this transaction. 5 I was changed into where? 1. I want to cancel. Changing means again update we are thinking. I want to cancel the previous transaction. Suppose in ATM machine roughly, okay, so now maybe you are entering a wrong, okay, anything means I want to cancel the transaction. Whenever if you want to cancel the transaction, previous transaction, suppose 5 was changed into where automatically 1 means, yes, just we are using a what? A rollback is a command. Observe here. Here, rollback is a command. Rollback. Whenever we are using a rollback, what happened? Observe here. Screen observe, very important. Rollback. Rollback means undo the transaction from memory. Observe here. Whenever rollback means undo the transaction from memory, what is that one means? Screen observe it. Here, rollback means here, old value, what is the old value? 1. What is the new value? 5. This old value is automatically transferred transfer into where, new value place. That is nothing but a rollback. Rollback is affected in a where, memory area. This is so many fellows are doesn't know how much easy. Rollback means undo the transaction from memory in any database, not only Oracle side. Here rollback I'm using means what happened, undo the transaction from memory. That is, this one is transferred from here undo area into where, here this new value place. That's why this one is transferred into where, here. Again this one is written into where, your table. Okay, yeah, here in memory table only. That's why whenever we are using a what, a rollback, then automatically what happened, again one. Now check it out. This is practically observed here. Practically, maybe you are only telling me all the things. Now check it out. Suppose already our table is available in a where? Our table is available in a where? In a hard disk. No? Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. I'm opening a what? This one, SQL plus tool. Just I'm typing a what? Some username and passwords. Now screen observe it. Now I'm typing a what? Select the star from table name test only. Now what happened? Anybody tell me fast, practically. Whenever we are requesting a what, a test is a table, then control goes to where? In a memory area. In a memory area, the table is not there. First time is, then control goes to where, hard disk. In hard disk, this table is there. Again, copy of the table is transferred. This one into where? This one. Okay, na? Yeah. Here, that's why it is visible or not? Yes. Now I want to change this one is a number into where, 5, for example. Okay, na? Yeah, this one is a number I want to change into where, 5, for example. Now I'm using a what in a feature, some SQL language command, update command. SQL language I told you in a previous class, update, table name, test, set S number is equal to 5, some commands, this one SQL language, where S number is equal to 1. Whenever you are typing a what, this update command, where it is affected, in a memory area or hard disk, fastly tell me. Already told no. Yeah, very good, memory area. Okay, na? Yeah, and now 5 is available here. Okay, na? 1 is available here only. Okay, na? Here this is a new value for the transaction, this is a old value for the transaction. New value for the transaction is stored in a where, dirty reader. Old value for the transaction is stored in a where, in a undo area. Don't worry that names. Okay, na? Yeah. Now screen observe it. Now whenever in a memory area, the table I am displaying means, then what happened? Yes, here 1 was changed into where? 5 or not? Yes. Now I want to cancel this 5. Previous transaction I want to cancel. How can I? First, this 5 automatically I want to change into where, 1. Okay, automatic. Because I want to cancel that one. Maybe wrong or anything or anything. Okay, yeah. Very good. Roll back. Very good. One fellow is telling correct. Roll back. Just observe it what happened. These are all the things you don't have idea, also not a problem. But observe it what happened. Some knowledge you are getting only. And now check it out. Whenever we are using a what, roll back means yes. Roll back means undo the transaction from memory. That's why here this one value is automatically transferred from this one into where, this area, and this into table. Okay, yeah, this is going on. Now check it out. Here, observe here. Now select the star from table name. What is the table? Test. Observe here how much easy. Oh, maybe rollback is a command in every database, means undo the transaction from memory. You have to remember it. Next. Next, observe here. I don't want to cancel. I want to change again 1 into 5 only again. Observe here. Again, I am typing a what? Update command. Okay. Yeah. Observe here. Again, update. Okay, some command only. Don't worry. This is SQL language command. S number is equal to 5, where S number is equal to 1. This one I want to change into where, 5 again. 1 row updated. Okay, na? Yeah. Now select a star from table name. Commands you don't have an idea also. Logically observed here, 5. Now this 5 I want to, where it is affected this update statement, memory or a hard disk? Very good, in a memory. Now this 5 I want to permanently stored in a where? In a hard disk. Then we are using a watch push command. Very good. Commit command. Okay. Na? Oh, maybe commit means save the transaction permanently into hard disk. Very good. Now, but here one intro question I will ask you. You are telling correctly means great. First observe here. Commit. Commit I will tell you. Observe here. Commit. Commit means save. Whenever we are using a commit, what happened? Repeatedly, I am telling. Now check it out. Whenever we are using a what? Commit means new value for the transaction permanently stored in a where? In a hard disk. Okay, na? Yeah. Whenever new value for the transaction permanently stored in a hard disk means this new value is gone and old value also gone. Internally happened. Okay, na? That's why now 5 is available in where? In a hard disk only. Okay, na? Yeah. Now check it out. Very good. Here, now here, observe here. Here, select star. Now the memory area into client tool. Okay, na? Yeah. Here, up to now, okay. But what is my doubt means? Now the 5 is available where? In a disk only, even a physical database. Okay, na? Bottom part. Okay. Now I want to cancel the transaction or roll back. What happened? Possible or not possible? Anybody guess it logically? Logically guess it. First time newcomer guessing is great. Experienced person having idea. Anybody? Anybody? Now roll back working or not working? One fellow is telling. Anybody tell me? Super, you are telling correct. Anybody? Another fellows? Now I want to cancel 5 into 1 only. Possible or not possible? I want to cancel the previous transaction. Possible or not possible? Very good. Subham, you are telling correct. Not possible. Why? Because already diagrammatically I told no. Whenever we are using a commit in a database, what happened? This new value for the transaction permanently stored in a where hard disk. Okay, na? Yeah. Then automatically this new value is gone. Old value also gone. Now I'm applying a rollback means this rollback old value is transferred into new value means any value is there? No. Here also any value is there? No. That's why rollback completed also no use. Here we cannot get it back. Okay? Yeah, very good. Correct. Rollback completed also no use. 5 is available or 1 is available? 1 minute only. Tell me fast. Tell me. Very good. 5 is available. Very good. Correct. Subham, you're telling correct. Okay, 5 is available. And now here, check it out. Here, like this. Okay, now how much easier? That's what diagrammatically you are learning means nothing is there. What is going on? You have an idea means, oh, easily you are operating. That's why what I'm intimating to you yesterday, I told no, SQL Plus is a default tool. Through this tool only, we are interacting with the water server daily, either insert, either update, either delete, either select, either joins, either constraints, either queries, either procedures, either functions like this. Anything also. Not only SQL Plus tool, any tool through we are interacting with the what? This server. What happened is all the things mean same thing only. Some commands are executed in a memory area. Whenever we are using a commit means automatically that is stored in a hard disk. Rollback means undo the transaction from memory. Again, DDL commands are there in a feature inside. Okay, create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. That is not required to use a commit. Automatically committed. Those all the things we are learning. Yeah, whenever we are starting a what SQL long ways. In that long ways through, I will tell you. Okay, yeah. Yes, up to in a previous class, what I am telling, just I'm telling you what newcomers are there daily. That's why slowly, repeatedly, I'm telling. Now you don't worry. Now here concentrate. In a previous class, what I'm intimating to you, just Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. That is a database product. What type of database product means? Relational database. Some concepts are there in a feature. Don't worry. Actually, that is a DBMS software. I am telling a database only wrong side. Don't worry. Now to store data permanently in a hard disk. And now here once we are storing the data permanently, then we are operating a data by using a what? SQL, PL, SQL, dynamic SQL languages. Not only that one, observe here whenever you are installing a Oracle software, Yes, again, tool is available here through client tool through we are connect to the where server. Once we are installing a Oracle software, automatically one client tool is there. Yesterday, anybody not adding means fast observed here. What is the client tool? SQL plus tool is there. Okay, na? Yeah. SQL plus tool is there. That tool not required to install explicitly. Just once we are installing a what Oracle software, automatically that tool is available here like this. And now here through this tool only daily interacting with the what server. Okay, na? Yeah. Here is SQL language commands, but here which username, which password, those are all the things. Next, I will tell you. Then only installation process I will tell you. Okay, na? Yeah. Once you are installing means these are all the things. So no, daily we are interacting only. Okay, understood this one? Okay, this is a small concept. We are interacting only daily. So many people are attending. Tomorrow that usernames, passwords and editions are there and propagation, expression, some knowledge you are getting. Then only installation. Some settings are also there. SQL plus tool, some problems. Then those settings after installation process I will tell you. Okay, yeah. Once you are installing means then I am telling anything also you are understandable because daily interact with the practically or not. Yes. Thank you so much for attending this demo class. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, na? Thank you.